Meaning of four-wheeler.
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 Four-wheeler. The term four-wheeler refers to a vehicle with four wheels, such as a car or truck. These vehicles are typically designed for transportation on roads and highways, and can range from small compact cars to large, heavy-duty trucks. Four-wheelers are often relied upon as a primary mode of transportation for individuals and families, and are essential for many businesses that require the transportation of goods and services. They have become an integral part of modern life and are a common sight on roads and highways around the world.